welcome to my channel. My name is Syafi Ramadhani and I am a student at Alauddin Islamic State University of Makassar. In this video, I will discuss several important questions regarding language and linguistics. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification so you won't miss out on other interesting content. Let's get started. A. After reading several definitions of language from online source and linguists, what can you say about the definition of language? Provide one definition from an online source and one from a linguist, then give your own definition. According to Dr. Kaharuddin, language is a tool used by humans to communicate thoughts, feelings, and intention through signs or symbols. This aligns with Ferdinand de Saussure definition, which states the linguistic is a system of signs for expressing ideas. In other words, linguistic is a medium that facilitates understanding between individuals through mutually agreed symbols. B. What do you know about the fundamental characteristics of language that are generally shared in definition from online source and linguistics? Explain your answer. According to Dr. Kaharuddin, the fundamental characteristics of language include arbitrariness. The relationship between words and the objects they represent is arbitrary, meaning there is no logical connection between the form of a word and its meaning. Productively, language enables humans to create an infinite number of new sentences that have never been said before. Disciplines. Language allows humans to talk about things that are not present in time and place, such as past events, future plans, or imaginary scenarios. Duality. Language operates on two levels: the level of sound or phonemes and the level of meaning or morphemes. C. In your opinion, is it easy to provide accurate information about the origin of language? Why? Explain. Dr. Kaharuddin explained that providing accurate information about the origin of language is difficult because there are no clear historical records. Language does not leave behind fossils or artifacts. They can be studied, making many theories about the origin of language spirituality. D. What do you know about the divine origin theory? What does this theory say about the origin of language? Explain in detail. The divine origin theory suggests that language was a gift from God. According to this theory, humans receive language as a divine blessing as described in the religious scriptures of various faiths, such as the story of the creation of language in the Bible involving Adam and Eve. E. What do you know about the evolutionary development theory? What does this theory say about the origin of language? Explain in detail. This theory posits that language gradually evolved alongside human evolution. Language emerged as an evolutionary adaptation to facilitate more effective communication within social groups, particularly as the human brain developed. F. What do you know about the human invention theory? What does this theory say about the origin of language? Explain in detail. This theory states that language was invented by humans as a communication tool. Language developed from simple forms, such as gestures and sounds, to a complex system used to solve communication problems in daily life. G. Do you agree with the statement that language and linguistics are the same? Why? Explain your reasoning. Language and linguistics are not the same. Language is a tool for communication, while linguistics is the scientific study of language, including its structure, function, and societal impacts. Linguistics focus on the formal analysis of language, whereas language itself is the medium used for communication. Terima kasih.